Hola clase, ¿cómo están? This is Señora Shapiro, and here is the next set of vocabulary that we will be learning. Unidad 3, comer en familia. Lección 1, mi comida favorita. Vamos a Puerto Rico. Vocabulario nuevo, la comida. Food. Here is some vocabulary related to meals and eating. Ready? Remember to take notes using the Cornell note-taking system. Vámonos, here we go. El desayuno. That's the noun, breakfast. Desayunar is the infinitive, to eat breakfast. El almuerzo, which we know from the last unit. Almorzar, that is the infinitive, to have lunch. La cena, dinner. Cenar, another AR verb, meaning to have dinner. La bebida, drinks. These are any kind of drinks, and we already know how to say water, agua, and soft drinks are refrescos. To drink, the infinitive is beber. Compartir, to share. Vender, to sell. Note that this is an ER verb and is an infinitive. Comida del desayuno y del almuerzo. So now we're going to be talking specifically about food for breakfast and lunch. El café. Please note the accent mark over the E. And this is a masculine word. El té. Note the accent mark and the gender of this noun. El cereal, singular. Plural, los cereales. El huevo. Remember that the H is silent. No se pronuncia el H. El jugo de naranja. Specifically orange juice. La leche. El pan. El yogur. La hamburguesa. La hamburguesa. The H is silent and the G is a hard sound. El sándwich de, this one happens to be of jamón y queso, ham and cheese. El sándwich, notice the accent mark over the A. La sopa. La banana. In some countries, it's called el plátano. La manzana. Remember that the Z in Spanish is pronounced like an S. La manzana. Las uvas. Now we're going to talk about how we can describe feelings and desires using the verb tener, to have. We already know how to talk about how we feel and where we are using the verb estar, but this is a little bit different. Let's take a look. Tener ganas de plus an infinitive. To feel like doing something. So you could say, tengo ganas de bailar, to dance. Tengo ganas de cantar, to sing. Tengo ganas de trabajar, to work. Tener hambre. This is an expression which means to be hungry. Literally, to have hunger. Tener sed. How do we ask questions in Spanish? Well, we've already seen a little bit of this, but let's take a closer look. ¿Cómo? How? Remember the accent mark over the first O when you ask this in a question. ¿Cuál or cuáles? Which? What? ¿Por qué? Why? Literally, for what? ¿Qué? What? ¿Quién o quiénes? Who? Notice in all of these question words, you have the accent over the O, A, E, and you need it when you have these in questions. Here are other words and phrases that you will need to know. Ahora, nutritivo o nutritiva, otro, otra, para. That's used with infinitives. Necesito estudiar para sacar una buena nota. Rico o rica. Okay, amigos, es todo para hoy. That's all for today. We will see each other in class soon. Remember to answer the questions that follow this video. Ciao!